broke a jail in Oconee, Georgia, changed my name to Jelly Bill. I was wanted for some time I had killed. I shot down Martha Hawkins and I robbed her of her pride, and I picked Fort Worth as a place to hide. Yeah, those Georgia jails don't have such a beautiful view, but Fort Worth is such a beautiful place to disappear into. On the muscle of my arm, there's a red and blue tattoo, and it reads Fort Worth, I love you. Come on, Bob. Fort Worth town is the best I've found for a hang-around like me. I buy a chili dog and watch a rodeo on TV. In Fort Worth, killing time's no crime, so now I'm in the clear. And by the way, Martha Hawkins can't find me here. Yeah, those Georgia jails don't have such a beautiful view, but Fort Worth is such a beautiful place to disappear into. On the muscle of my arm, there's a red and blue tattoo, and it reads Fort Worth, I love you. Such a beautiful place to disappear into. On the muscle of my arm, there's a red and blue tattoo, and it reads Fort Worth, I love you. It just reads Fort Worth, I love you. All right.
It stayed in tune.
It stayed in tune.
It might. I think I'll do another one.
All right.
All right, because it stayed in tune. Hey, I want to thank y'all for coming to my birthday party. I'm going to be 82 years old tomorrow. And we've been doing this show now for a little over 6 years. Phil said something. He said 6 years ago I was 82. Well, I'm really 97, and I just don't want to let anybody know. That's all. No, we're having fun, and good song. You wrote that song, Paul.
I did not write it.
Who? Oh, I know who wrote it.
Your pal is
Garland Frady.
Boomer Castleman
and
Michael Martin Murphy.
Oh, not Garland Frady. No. He was the one that sang it.
Garland sang it.
I played that song with him back in the 70s a whole bunch of times. It's a good song.
First place I heard
Fort
it.
Worth, I love you.
Garland Frady.
On the muscle of my arm, I have a red and blue tattoo. Is that what it is? Fort Worth, I love you. It's a good song. Good words. Key of D. G.
Here's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to the new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gone the truth. I don't want to see the proof. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna break my heart all to pieces, then walk right out that door and leave me this way. Take off your wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. If you're gonna break my heart all to pieces, then walk right out that door and leave me alone. Take off your wedding band when it takes you by the hand. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. Lord, if you're gonna do me wrong, do it right.
Gary Swan. I don't know, Bob. I got to tell you, I liked your solo better than mine on that song. I really did.
I don't really know that song. But
You played great. Well, you played it great for not knowing it. Wait, Susie's got something. The boss is speaking. What?
yes.
Albert and Karen are here.
Albert and Karen got here a little late, but they're here. And that is so much fun. I love that man, and I love his wife. That doesn't mean anything. It just means I like her. Anyway.
Bring him up.
What do you got?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Let's do Dark Hollow. Oh, yeah, okay.
Go ahead and shout it out. I'm gonna play my cello.
Okay. See, it's sharp. I'm glad I put it down. It's a non-battery. Oh, yeah, I love those things.
What's a battery? What's wrong?
There's no battery in the tuner. Thank you.
Let's do Dark Hollow. A, no 4 minor.
I'll catch up. Right after this song, we'll get some people up.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone would cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Thank you.
it's the amp. I got another amp though. If it is the amp, we're gonna find out right now. I don't think it's the amp. I got robbed the 2 solos on that song.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Gary Swan, no,
The camera.
Ricky Z, come on up. Where's Ricky?
He's coming.
Where's Ricky Z? Come on up. Come on up.
Sometime tonight, Ricky.
Come play.
Not quite now.
Hey, you know
Ricky.
what? Normally we only do an hour, but if everybody's eating and having fun, and we get close to 7 o'clock, and we need to extend it a little, we'll just keep playing for a while. And if you've had enough by 7, just say no. Stop the show, and we will, and everybody can go home. No, it's not a big deal. All right, let's go. Get up. Oh, you need my mic?
Well, he's gonna sing, ain't he?
You want to sing or play?
He's gonna sing.
What? Okay.
Sing.
Liza?
Yeah.
In the A?
We're gonna,
Well,
gonna
I thought you were
dedicate this to Albert and his wife.
Hi, Albert, wherever you are.
He's right there.
I love you both. What key we in?
A.
Turn up.
Well, you got my number, and you know my name. So why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Well, you got that body, and you got that frame. Why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Well, girl, I got it bad for you. There ain't nothing that I won't do. Just one look and I'll never be the same. Little Liza Jane. Oh, come on, birthday boy. Hey, come on. Oh, roll them keys, baby. house in here. Well, you know my story. And you know my name. So why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? So why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Tell me why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Say on that one, y'all. Ooh, my little Liza Jane. 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 So why won't you call me Little Liza Jane? Tell me why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Tell me why don't you call me Little Liza Jane? Hiyo, come on in the lads.
Damn tall guys. Ricky, how about a hand for Ricky C? Just jumps up cold and tears the house down. So, we're gonna do another song, then we'll get somebody else up. Bart, that jacket looks so good. I don't care what you do, we're getting you up.
Get the jacket up.
Yeah. You can just stand there while we do songs and dance. I don't care what you do. But that jacket deserves to be on stage.
Maybe Bob's got a song.
Bob, I never even thought about that. Bobby? Bob Gothard, folks. How about a hand for
Crazy
Bobby?
Arms. How
Isn't
about
he a
Crazy
great
Arms?
player?
Thank you. Okay. Warmed up. E. Yeah. 151. What song? Crazy Arms.
I think Gretsch boy.
One.
Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. There's a storm brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. Hey, Ricky. Gary. and take all the love I thought was mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. And now I'm so lonely all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Come on, Charlie. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Yes, that's why I'm lonely all the time. Thank you very much.
Well, I don't know how much fun you're having, but it's my birthday, and I know I'm having more fun than you guys are, because I'm getting to pick with some great players. I love these guys. See, my secret is I just get really good people to play around me, and it makes me look good. See, I'm really not doing anything. These guys are doing it all. You always look hard. Ricky, thank you for coming up. We'll get you back up a little later. Mwah. Love you, brother. And this guy's got Grammys on the wall and gold records and all that stuff. This guy's been around. He's no slouch. He's got a bad back. That's why his wife has to work. But that's okay. Bart, come on up. Dig this jacket, you guys. Look at this thing. No, go ahead and sing one. Grab that mic and sing one.
Oh, this thing over here? Yeah, I wore this.
Yeah, son.
Yeah, it's called a
Talk right
microphone.
into it.
It's on, it's just too low.
Come on,
I
boys.
wore this jacket because I had to find something that matched my splint.
I won't ask you
good
what happened to
together,
your thumb in front of all these people, but I bet it was something real smart.
It's something that ended with the word ouch.
Yeah, well,
All right, well, you know, Ricky got me in a Vince Gill mood. How about if we do Whenever I Call Your Name?
do it.
Okay.
I think I know that song. What key?
Key of Be Quiet. Key A.
Give A? You know the song, right? No, maybe we don't.
We gotta change it.
I don't know if I When I Call Your Name?
Whenever I Call Your Name. I'll get weak in the knees.
Oh, that was something valid, yeah.
All right.
That's not good? We can't do it?
Okay, well, looks like we're doing something else.
That's one of Gary
Yeah, we do that song.
That's the one you
You
sing.
do that song. All right, let's do it. What key, A?
Hey.
Hey,
Okay, so if Denver
Canadian
not so good,
song.
you'll know why.
You did that Weak in the Knee song. Play it. Let's go.
that's not called Weak at the Knees. He's doing another song. Give him the tempo.
Face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wish whenever you come around. I feel so helpless, I feel just like a kid. What is it about you make me keep my feelings hid? Standing there holding the biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak in the knees and I lose my breath. Oh, I try to speak, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, the world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, birthday boy. I get weak in the knees. Carmine, you make me weak in the knees, and I lose my breath. Well, I try to speak, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, the world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, whenever you come around.
You know, that jacket is so bright. When you're standing behind it, I couldn't see where my hands were on the guitar. So if I made any mistakes, it's his fault. I love you.
Sounded great, Bart.
How about Bart? Hey, Hampton Bart, my good friend.
He's also a wonderful
Put that amp for Tony on.
ballroom dancer.
What?
He's also a wonderful ballroom dancer.
He is. Yeah, put the light on him.
That's where he got that jacket. He was spinning his girlfriend and went right up to the disco ball.
Let's do another one and then we'll get Tony up and do midnight. Tony, get ready. You're going to do the midnight special. Get your guitar, come over, and we're going to do one song, then we're getting you up. Hey, Phil, do you want to do anything at all? It's up to you. You're welcome to come up after Tony with Tony, grab a couple of mics, do a couple of songs. All right. What? Yeah, well, in a minute. All right, do something.
Okay.
Love that song.
Bye-bye, Johnny.
You got the right intro to this too, don't you?
I can put Johnny good intro.
Yeah, well, it's key, what key intro?
Yeah. Okay. I'll do the Johnny good intro. Okay. Well, okay.
It goes right to the 5 after the end.
Well, he's not gonna do that.
Oh, look, okay, good.
Let's go to 5. Oh, okay.
Well, she threw out all the money from the Southern Trust, put a little boy on a Greyhound bus. goodbye, Johnny Bigelow. Well, she remembered taking money up from gathering crops, buying Johnny's guitar at a local shop. Long as he would play it by the railroad side, wouldn't get in trouble, she'd be satisfied. But she never thought there'd ever come a day like this when she would have to give her son a goodbye kiss. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Good. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. Soon as they were married, he'd bring her back, build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be up standing and waving at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny B. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. Soon as they were married, he'd bring her back, build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be up standing and a waving at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny. Be good.
All right, Tony, come on up. Where's Tony? Right here. There he is. Tony, why don't you ask him to borrow the jacket?
It ain't gonna help.
I know.
Tony.
Hey, Tony, here's the amp. You didn't,
Here's the amp, here's this TV.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you want to go right here? Let's get Tony. Sit down, have fun.
Yeah, well, that's Billy, you know, you wrote that.
I hate that beat. That's like yours. Awful. You play it straight ahead from now on.
Should we do
I
what should we
love
do?
that choppy.
Want to do Backman
You know what it
Gas?
does? It drags the song.
Should we do
back.
Backman Gas?
Do whatever you want to
Because
do.
we just did a song with almost the same beat, so
We'll mix it up a little bit.
You got it, John.
I've been telling Carmen for a week now, I said, I'll only come to your birthday in one condition, and that's I get to sing the Midnight Special. But now that I'm up here, I don't want to sing the Midnight Special.
So now what are you going to do?
I want to sing back when gas was 30 cents a gallon
That's almost better.
and love was only 60 cents away.
Let's hear the guitar.
So that makes more sense today. Hey.
That's good enough for you? That good?
Key of C, guys. Bob, you're singing and playing great. Paul, you're always great. John, a little flat in the drums, but other than that, it was great. Gary Swan, I love you. This goes right to an F in the opening.
Watch out for the F.
I'll watch out for that. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, America was young and strong and brave. Lord knows we didn't have no money. My whole car had seen some better days. But you were young and fresh as brand new roses, while I was so in love and free and brave. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon and love was only 60 cents away. Little piano coming at you. Bob Goff, guitar. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, those sweet magnolias lined those country roads. Lord knows we didn't have no money. My old car had always needed a tow. But you were fresh and young as brand new roses, while I was so in love and free and brave. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon and love was only 60 cents. Brother Carmen, the birthday boy, play Carmen. I don't think I know her. If I'd see her, I did my forgetting till it hurt. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, I didn't know the meaning of hurt. I didn't know the meaning of hurt. Happy birthday, Carmen. Oh, now you can do the midnight. Okay, we'll do the midnight special, and I'll get out of here and make room for all the great entertainers out there. Oh, you wait. up in the morning, hear the work bell ring, then you stumble to the table, see the same old thing. No food on the table, ain't got no pork in the pan. You know you better clean, boy, you'll get in trouble with the man. And let the midnight special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light on me. Oh, the midnight special shine that light on me. You let the midnight special shine that light right on me. Carmen. Carmen, take it one time. Yonder come Miss Rosie. How the heck do I know? By the way she wears her apron and on the clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder, piece of paper in her hand. Hey, she wants to see the governor. She gonna free her man. I let the midnight special shine that light on me. Let the midnight special shine that light on me. Say the midnight special shine that light on me. Just let the midnight special shine this light right on me. Just let the midnight special shine that light right on me. Happy birthday, Carmen. Thank you. Thank you for the song. Thank you for having me. Great.
Kurt and Deanna. Okay, so you have to
Thank you, guys. Great.
Oh, sounded great, Tony.
Thank you.
Good job again.
Oh, you sounded great.
Tony, I love you.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
I got cool everywhere, sorry.
There you go.
That's my fault. Put this mic back over here. And that one goes back over there.
When I do one song and you quit? What's it that?
Kurt and Deanna, come on up. Let's go.
Hello! Happy birthday!
If you want to use that mic and this amp, yeah, absolutely. Plug it in and just get a quick little sound and let's do a couple.
Happy birthday, Carmine, everybody!
Yeah!
He's only 39! Carmine, yeah. Carmine's 39. Did I plug in somewhere?
Right there. The very, all the way on the left.
Here we go. I'm going as fast as I can. How about Jackson and C? Everybody gets a solo.
That's it.
Yeah. Well, we want to do something where everybody can play.
There you go.
Yeah. Hi, Polly.
Put your volume.
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Hey, I gotta get to
Wait, I gotta lower this.
Hey, Gary, he's not getting the piano. Swan,
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
show him how to work this thing.
I got it. Never mind.
We got it. We got it. We got it.
Hello,
Gary,
everybody.
we got it.
Check, check one.
Swan, we got it. We figured it out. Yeah, we got it.
Jackson and C. Hi, Polly.
What key we in?
C for Charlie.
Jackson's a great song. They do a good job on this.
Yeah.
Do it way up. Let's get this thing going.
Okay, cut up.
Bob can start it.
Bob, start. Jackson.
sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson. I'm gonna mess around. Yeah, we're going to Jackson. Well, look out, Jackson Town.
Well, go on down to Jackson.
I will.
Well, go ahead and wreck your hell. Go play your hand, you big-talking man. Make a big fool of yourself. Yeah, go to Jackson. Go comb your hair.
Honey, I'm gonna snowball Jackson.
See if I care.
When I breeze into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. Turn loose on my coat. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson.
Well, goodbye, that's all she wrote. They'll laugh at you in Jackson, and I'll be dancing on the pony keg. Well, they'll lead you around town like a scalded hound with your tail tucked between your legs. Yeah, go to Jackson, you big talking man, and I'll be waiting in Jackson.
We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson, and that's a fact. Yeah, we're going to Jackson. Ain't never coming back.
You know, Johnny, will you
What?
show me what you got? That's Kurt Freeze. All right, come on, give me something. All right, start with the birthday boy. Bob Barker.
Now this is fun.
It's your birthday. Had to make it fun. That's Paul, everybody.
since the fire went out, I'm going to Jackson, and that's a fact.
Right, Susie?
Yeah, we're going to Jackson. Ain't never coming back.
That's right.
Ain't never coming.
Thank you so much. I love you, Carmine. He's 28.
Diane, I love you.
Mwah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. You guys are amazing.
Thank you, Deanna.
Thank
Well,
you.
we're going to have Kurt stay up and play a few more with us. What time is it? I'm not even keeping track of the time tonight.
59.
What is it?
1 minute to 7.
Oh, we're going. Is that okay if we go over a little? The band, you guys are okay? Go over a little? Yeah, absolutely. A lot more cash. What are you talking about? Huh?
Somebody wants to play this guitar like
Oh yeah, John McDuffie, come on up. We got something here you can play. John. What? Did he leave?
No, he's here. He was
Oh,
just
what's
here.
taking him so long? First time at a show business place?
There you go.
Well, I don't know where he is.
What about Matt LeMayo, too?
Matt, come on up. Matt LeMayo.
Sing a song.
I love this guy. Well, I really love all these guys. These are the people I've been hanging out with for the last 50 years, and a lot of them. Matt's kind of a new guy. I've only known him about 20. John McDuffie, come on up. I'll let John play a little
Sing a
behind
song.
you.
Play my guitar, John.
Doing great. How are you?
Happy birthday. I'm great.
Thank you. You look great.
Glad to be here.
Using that mic right there?
Sing a wonderful song.
You gotta do it from the bottom. You know, that gets me every time, that top one. I always go to raise it, and it does that to me. How about a hand for Bob Gothard? That man plays a lot of guitar. So does John McDuffie. What do you got, brother? You all set?
Let's have Matt sing a song.
What?
Let's have Matt sing a song.
Yeah, absolutely.
How about Apple All the Pieces?
Yes.
In E.
E.
Key of Echo.
451 intro.
Yes, sir.
In E.